Hey everyone friends! Today on the channel I'll show you how to recover a Roblox account without a phone number or email. So for this, open any browser and type in roblox.com/support, something like that. Right, so now enter the date of birth that's on the account, yeah, the one that got hacked. Click continue. Enter your first name, last name, and email address where you'll receive the response. Then confirm it, yeah. I'll write here the type of device you most often use this account on, iPhone in my case. And here, select account hacked or can't log in, like the account's been hacked or you can't get in. So here you can choose what happened with your account, like lost your password. And if you know for sure it was hacked, better click that it's hacked. If you're not exactly sure what's wrong with your account, then better choose other login problems. And here we write, I lost there. Hello support, I lost my account. Please help me recover it. Or something like that. I don't remember exactly anyway. And here you enter the reasons why you think the account was hacked. The more info that only you would know, right? I mean, the more details about how you lost your account, the better. Then they'll ask you for other proof that the account actually belonged to you. That's it. This was Guello. See you, everyone.